All right, so I've been getting a lot of questions on how to find information that was missed regarding the science notebook. So in science, it's really important that you keep track of everything that you do because observations, it may seem like they're gonna stay in your head forever, but you forget. I forget. Anyone will forget unless you write it down and keep track of what you're doing. Different procedures for a science experiment. It's really important that we keep track of that. So with that said, I'm going to show you how to find what we wrote in the science notebook during class. All right, here's my son's tablet. So at the bottom of the tablet, there's a couple buttons. You got your assignments tab and your teams tab. So first step is you go to the teams tab. It looks like that. Okay? Then you're gonna see all your classes. Go to the science class, and I always put the class materials in CJ and Agenda, in the CJ and Agenda folder. Okay? If you scroll all the way to the top, you'll see what we did on the very first day of class. Okay, so we're gonna go all the way to one of the first lessons. Here's week 1, day 2. So if you click on that, you guys can see my reflection. Hey guys. Here it is right here. Who are scientists? And you guys can click through the slides. And anytime you get to a slide that has this little icon up here, it shows you number 10, page 10, you're supposed to draw a scientist. Do not look at, and you don't have to write everything on this PowerPoint slide. You only have to write what it tells you to write over here. Okay, so now you're supposed to draw what you think a scientist looks like on page 10. Then on page 11, it tells you right here, on page 11, write about your drawing by answering 2 questions. Describe what the scientist is doing in that picture, and what do you think this scientist does on a typical day? So you're supposed to write that over here on page 11. So this is how you find what you're supposed to do on specific pages. Some people might ask, Mr. Mazzone, what am I supposed to do if I don't know what pages to copy? Well, I sent out a progress report, and most people who didn't do their science notebook got a progress report that had every single assignment that they missed. So what you do is you go look at your progress report. It's in Parent Square. I attached it. If you press the attachment, the PDF should come up, your progress report. It will tell you you missed notebook check number 1, which was pages 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, or whatever it is. It will tell you which pages you need to go on the tablet and find. So let's say you're done doing the science notebook for that day. You press the little button up here. That's the PowerPoint we just looked at, and you can scroll to the next one. And you can keep scrolling until you find everything that you need. Hopefully that helped everyone. I really look forward to seeing everyone in person. I hope you guys are having a good day. This is the best Wednesday this week. Alrighty, actually by the time I post this, it will be probably Thursday. So hopefully this helps people.